Good morning, guys. How y'all doing today? It's about 8:30, and it's a cloudy day. I don't think it rained yet, and I'm just starting my day now, so let's do this. What's up, guys? Alright. Holy shit, is it hot out? I was literally not even fully outside. I was in my garage. Half my body was out of the garage because I was under my truck working, and I'm sweating, like literally so badly. Oh my god, it was so fucking hot. But I'm happy though, because I'm getting the shit done on my truck that I gotta get done before Saturday. Because I got my one last thing that I gotta put on my truck, and it came in, so I'm putting that on now. And that's my air horn / PA system, so I could tell these motherfuckers to move the fuck out of my way. It's gonna be good. I love my air horn. I can't wait to get this thing fully hooked up, so that's actually what I'm doing now. And then the rain's on its way here, so it'll help cool it down a little bit, I hope. I don't know, but we'll see. Alright guys, well, let me get back to work. And I'll keep you guys updated, because this thing's gonna be fucking awesome as hell. I love it already. What's up, guys? Alright, so it's actually coming along good. Truck's coming along nicely. Let's see. It's coming along good. I got the new power negative hooked up, and I'm about to hook up the new positive. There's part of the system, the air horn that I got in the PA, because that's the speaker. And the unit's in the back of my truck. But it's actually starting to cool down now. There's actually a nice breeze coming down. So I'm actually gonna try and like hurry up and get this done. So that way I'm not, out here. Because usually I'll be like right here in this area. And it's kind of out in the open. And then I don't want to get, my camera did get wet from the rain. Yeah, because it's actually, as you could tell, very, very cloudy now. The sun's not out anymore. And the rain is coming, because it's actually like pitch black behind the house. So the rain is coming. Come on, just stupid camera. So they're right, the rain is coming. So I'm gonna just hurry up and get this done, and then we'll be good. Alright guys, just finished it. It's all good. Damn thing works, and it's loud as hell, and I am like so fucking super excited right now. I'm like so fucking hyped. Like, oh my god, it's just too funny. I can't, it's just seriously too funny of how awesome this thing is. It is too funny. It's just, it's seriously just too freaking funny. Test 1, 2. Oh god, this is awesome. I swear, it's just too freaking funny. Oh god, that's just too funny. I'm gonna have fun with this one. I'm gonna have fun with the PA. Oh god, it's just too funny. Alright. Time to go just fix my radio and then go relax. What's up, guys? Getting ready to go off to work. And I don't know if it's gonna rain anymore. I mean, it's rained a lot, but I mean, it's cloudy still. But we'll find out. But still kind of a nice day out, so we'll see what happens. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Back from work, and I am happy to say that it's actually a good day. Funny day. Good day. Well, happy. The parts, well, part of the parts for my lawnmower came in today, so I'm happy about that. It's not one of the major parts that I need, so hopefully that comes in like tomorrow or Thursday. I mean, hopefully we'll see what happens, but yeah. So if that can happen, then that's good, and that'll be that, but we'll see what happens. Cause that's just, that's like something that I need done. So I gotta be up early tomorrow, and start my day off. Excuse me, and start my day off. Start my day off right. Start my day off early. Because tomorrow's gonna be a good day, so I'm gonna hope to see that I can actually get stuff done tomorrow. Yeah. See what I can get done tomorrow. I don't know exactly what I can get done or what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Oh no, I know what I gotta do tomorrow. I gotta attempt to fix that fascia for this customer, so I gotta go pick that up tomorrow. That's what I gotta do tomorrow. So yeah, so I gotta be up early and attempt to do that tomorrow. I mean, because this week's pretty bad because of it's gonna rain again Thursday, so it's gonna be hard. So let's see what I can do. I'll figure it out. So I will end this vlog here for tonight, and I will see you guys in the morning. Peace. What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? It is a beautiful, beautiful day out, and I'm just about to go get dressed and get my egg sandwich, and then start my day off. Ain't that right, puppy girl? Yeah, love you. So, we'll see what today brings us. So, I'll catch you guys later. What's up, guys? Alright, so I just got back from Lowe's. I picked up my order for the one house that I gotta do. I picked that up, and they gave me this huge ass box for this one piece of flashing. They gave me this huge ass box for this one piece. And the guy at the store is like, after he looked at it and so it's just this one fucking piece, the guy is just like, alright buddy, don't use all that in one spot, alright? And I'm just like, I just started laughing, because it's ridiculous. That huge box for that one piece of flashing, you can't make this shit up, you really can't. So, I'm actually about to go off to Middletown Car Care and see if they could just do a quick courtesy fluids check for me, because I mostly just want them to see if they could just do a courtesy fluids check for my transmission, because with my transmission, well, my truck, there is no dipstick for the transmission. You have to go on the transmission itself and like unbolt the thing and check it, and just like it's too much of a hassle that I know I can do, but I don't want to do or to deal with. I'd rather just let them take care of it, and I want to see if I could get them to just do a courtesy fluids check and check all that shit for me. Pretty much because my truck has practically lived there at Middletown Car Care for about a month. My truck has lived there, because I had so much shit that they fixed on my truck in order for it to fucking pass Delaware's inspection down here, because they are fucking ridiculous down here with their goddamn inspection. My truck passed with no problem in fucking New York, and here they have a fucking problem because this state fucking sucks. So, given the fact that my truck has been there for so long, I want to just see if they could just give me a courtesy fluids check for me. And I want to see if they can actually just mark it in my maintenance book. In my maintenance book, just with the mileage and everything, and levels and whatnot. But yeah, I want to just see if they could just do that for me, because I'm going back home, and I want to just make sure that everything's good. More or less, I just want to make sure that my tranny fluid is good, because that's the one thing I haven't really changed or checked. The oil should still be good. So yeah, I want to just check that out, see if they could just do that for me, and it'd be fantastic if they can, because I don't really want to pay like a shit ton, whatever the fuck it is, because I really don't have that much money. I mean, I do and I don't, so give or take. But yeah, so I'm gonna just see what they could do for me. So, alright, I will I'll catch you guys later. Alright, what's up, guys? Alright, back, and courtesy fluid check went well. Everything in my truck is good. Alright, guys, sorry about that. My mom called me. As I was saying, all my fluids in my truck check out. They are all perfect, and everything's good. The tranny's good. Everything. And yes, my truck, it drips a little bit of oil every now and then, but the oil level's still fine. I mean, I knew it dripped something. I mean, there's nothing you could do about it, and I'm not paying, whatever it is to reseal the fucking engine and whatnot, but fuck it. It drips oil. That shit happens to older trucks after a while. It happens to every car after a while. So, but it drips it. It's not bad at all, really. So, and the oil level's still fine, so it's all good. Every fluid's good, everything. The rear axle, everything. So, it's all ready to go back home, so I'm happy. It's all ready to go. So, I will be ready to go, and it's going to be all good and dandy. I will catch you guys. I don't know, I might actually be working at I'm definitely going to be working at a new job. Screw damn school district. I'm going to be working with Joe, who did the deck. He's a great guy. I love him, and I'm going to be getting a job with him, doing decks and whatnot, so it's going to be fun. So, it's all good. I'm happy. So it's all going to be good, so I'm going to have a lot of fun working with him and whatnot. I mean, Christ, I practically helped him with my deck, and he didn't mind it at all, really. So, it's all good and dandy. Alright, guys, so I will catch you guys later.
Sheepshead Bay. I fucking had to take a subway. I went to the city, fucking transferred twice, got lost, but I'm finally here. Woo.
Come on, Sam. You're supposed to know this. You're supposed to know where to go and everything. Come on. You're supposed to know this, Sam. You're supposed to know this. Only you would end up getting lost taking a train and a subway, Sam. Only you would end up getting lost. Oh, God. What's up, guys? Alright, back from work. Got to go just eat my Nature Valley bars. And then go to bed, 'cause I gotta be up early, 'cause I got a busy day tomorrow. So, busy day. Busy Thursday. And then Friday's gonna be an extremely busy day. A lot to do before I go home, Bubba. Before I go home. Can't wait. Super excited to go home. Finally go home. So, with that said, I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Look who finally showed up. Hey, look, it's Dickhead, who's actually fucking graduating.
Yeah.
It's a miracle.
Yeah. Now Mr. McCormick said he didn't want to see me again. My teacher was just like, I don't care if you didn't hand any of your other stuff in, just hand me the presentation and we're good. She's like, I'm surprised you came and sat for your final. I was like, yeah.
I can't believe you set for your final too.
Yeah, no, I did it.
Good boy.
Why the fuck are you cameraing me?
YouTube, bitch.
You want me more?
I knew it was official because I got the invitation. So I'm like, oh look, it's official. He's graduating.
Hi, Pat.
I know. I told you, your fucking handwriting sucks.
That's not mine. That was my mom.
On the front of the car, the envelope. That's your mom's
that's
handwriting.
My mom's handwriting.
Yeah.
I thought it was his. His handwriting's
Lauren.
shit.
I already said that.
Ow.
So it's
Not much.
So what were you doing here, Chuck?